and welcome to the Ritz-Carlton Maldives. Come on in for a room tour. When you walk into the room, you are welcomed by this lovely seating area where you can come and just relax. Kick your feet up. You can pair your device to this television in case you want to watch something back home like your Netflix. You are also greeted by this wonderful assortment that was left by our RS Mija, where there are complimentary treats, fruit, and also a bottle of champagne. We cannot wait to open this up later on, but this is the lovely seating area. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the honor bar. This section is the honor bar. You'll see at the very top, you're provided with alcohol, and then you have some accessories here in case you want to make your beverage of choice. Also, there's some great reading material in case you want to sit out on your patio and enjoy a good book. If you're into tea and coffee, they also provide that, and there's water. And down here, you will see there are all kinds of treats in here. You'll see that there are potato chips and popcorn and also nuts. These items are complimentary, and there's even a postcard in case you want to send back to your loved ones. The second drawer just has cups there, and the bottom, you'll see that there are an assortment of beverages and also cold treats. All of the things that are non-alcoholic are complimentary. Now let's head over to the bed area. This room has a king-size bed. It also has a lovely soaking tub. And what I really like about it is with one touch, the blinds will go up and you'll see this beautiful view. Now behind this door, we'll check out the different showers and also the restroom.